Hi, my name is Stacy with WCI. My daughter has expressed interest in the piano and I wanted to find a beautiful beginner level piano. This one from Longeye has been more than what we needed and we absolutely love it. The piano has a full 88 keys, and even though they say that it's beginner level, this is really gorgeous. You can see that the keys have a beautiful weighted feel. They're a full length that you would need to be able to pick up piano playing. And what's really nice is that although the instrument panel is basic, it actually comes with 128 different tones. It comes with demo songs. You can even connect it to your tablet. So what my daughter's been doing is she downloaded a great app to help her to continue to learn along with the lessons that she's taking with school. The piano has 5 hours of battery time, so it doesn't need to be plugged in, which is really convenient if you opt to use the carrying case that it came with for a recital. I also really like the stand. It's lightweight, but very easy to adjust. And once the piano is sitting on top, it really feels well made and sturdy. If you notice too, the sound that comes out of the piano is quite pretty thanks to the speakers on each side of it. Check out her playing one of her favorite songs. I'm so happy that we're able to add on to her interest in piano playing. It's a step above the keyboard that she was using before, and it's really quite beautiful, but can easily be put away if you're taking a break. We really love all of the features on this piano, and I'm super happy that I was able to find such a beautiful instrument to help her to continue. But that's just my point of view.